Morning, guys. Jamaican are the best TV. I'm just going to jump right in on the news. Yeah, man. Gonna see what about.
Because Spice was still on the phone. Watch this. Watch this. Spice was still on the phone. And I said to her, I said, somebody's in my house. I said, I've got some black bags I'm literally in my front room looking at some black bags. And I said, somebody is picking up these black bags and moving them, but I can't see the person. And she says to me, she says, that person is coming for me. I said, really? She said, go in your kitchen. That's what Spice said to me. She said, go in your kitchen. So I went in my kitchen, brothers and sisters, and I saw a woman in my kitchen. My God. I saw a woman in my kitchen. Her back was turned to me. Up until now, she hasn't really shown me her face, but I knew it was a young girl. Brothers and sisters, the young girl began to speak, and I'm just trying to paraphrase what this woman was saying. And she basically says that Spice is going to die. This is what the young girl is saying, that Spice is going to die. And that like she says, she's the one who is going to do it. Something like that. So I begin to rebuke.
Here tea. So much. Everybody's eating when you don't want to have no meal. And I was like, okay, if she feel like if I don't get food, I'm going to die, you have it wrong, miss. I'm not going to die. I used to not eating. It's okay, I got this. And the male cops, he actually took out the food and give me and eat. And I remember like, it was so rough. Like when they bring the bucket with food, like they bring the crackers. If now it's 5 of us in the cell, and like it's like a little thing. And then you have the little upstairs and downstairs. But bear in mind, it's like cold concrete. Yeah. And the same place where you eat, you have to defecate, urinate, all of those madness. And they will bring a big bucket of crackers. And like if it's 5 of us, they bring 5 slices of plantain, 5 single. So, you know, you have to take out 1 single slice of the plantain with some crackers. And they bring you 1 big bucket of sugar and water, tea. You have to drink that. I'm like, okay. I remember I was there, I pray. I went to court. My lawyer asked for bail. The judge was like, no, she's not getting any bail. I remember I pray. I was like, Father God, if you're not ready for me to leave here, please take me somewhere where I can get bed. And I remember I go to court and they call up my name in the court and like, Vanessa, you're going to transfer. I'm like, transfer. Then I asked the one of the cops, where am I going? And he said, Fort Augustus. I'm like, damn. At that same time, I think about my mom because, they describe Fort Augustus. It is so rough. And I remember when I going out and my mama heard that I was going to Fort Augustus, she started crying. I was like, Mother, I got this. Your daughter got this. Be strong. And I went there. I went to Fort Augustus and like, it's like the guards there, they went down there and tell the girls that I was coming. Oh my God. You see, when I stepped down there, it's like I went to a show. You know, like when I went to the show and you hear, introducing Vanessa Bling and that whole heap of excitement there. I'm like, okay, where am I at? Am I coming to foreign or is a show? I went there, I have my dam. I locked the dam, like it was like 26 girls of us in one dam, but it was big. So you got bed there. Bear in mind, I asked God to take me off this concrete and he put me on this bed. So I went there. I started going church because they have church. They have Sunday church, Saturday church, but I went to Sunday church because I'm from a Pentecostal background. The girls actually there, they want to do everything for me. Like all my panties, they want to wash. I was like, You can wash everything else, but not the panty. And it was so cruel there. Like they treated the girls them so bad. Like when you have fight there, like the police them and the guards, they will never come until fight is over. Because for them, they say when they receive you, they receive a body. That's the thing. When I just get there, they say, welcome, we receive a body. I'm like, receive a body. So that for sure you say them don't care if you're dead or not. Because you're already dead to them any which way. So while I'm there, I keep praying. I was like, okay, Father God, you take me off the cold concrete that I asked you for. You put me on bed now. It's time for me to go home. My lawyer, I remember, like, I spent so much money trying to get this appeal, and they will not give me the appeal. I remember coming down to Christmas because my mom born Christmas Day. I was like, okay, I'm going to get out of here Christmas. End up, I never get out. Went back to court. The time when I was not expecting it, that was the time I get released. Bear in mind, I get released. It's like I'm still in prison. I get out of Fort Augustus. Now they had me on reporting. Like, I have to report at the station.
Like probation.
Yes, so I had to report at the station like 3 times, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, from 8 to 2. If I miss 2, they are going to take back the bail. They take away my passport, everything. So, you know, for that 3 years and 9 months, I'm reporting all those times, and I'm going to court 4 times a week, non-stop. It was, I've been through so much, like, but I'm right here right now.
Laba laba la she, me never know you there in a watchman body. Laba laba la she, sit down and watch Addy while you're like shabby. Laba laba la she, this walk this boy you going like somebody. Laba laba la she, this archive boy you going like somebody. Cyber kids. Shalom tell him fi come down now, Miss Futisha. Sit down a lap frap tail with Lisa. Remember the 2 hour no bad mind Adija. What due to Caesar, just give it to Caesar. 2 headers, una walk this man. Walk this man. This walk this man. Walk. Somebody give him a bed. This walk this man. Walk this man. Laba laba la she. Me never know you there in a watchman body. Laba laba la she, sit down and watch Addy while you're like shabby. Laba laba la she, this walk this boy you going like somebody. Laba laba la she, this archive boy you going like somebody. Somebody call ice. Para ese playo putito que tú sabes de hombre. Agaza me say. Remember, guys.
What is going on in these churches of today?
Everything on this earth is going to be destroyed. Jesus is a bread of life. He changed the manna to become a bread of life. His bread of life never destroy, never spoil. He's alive every day, and he's new every day. Only jealous Jesus Christ's life and his character, and you shall live, 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 and you will prosper. All this you are jealous in will pass away. Car will pass away. My brother, my sisters, don't jealous me and insult me. Tomorrow I will go flat. I will leave this high heel for you. I will not wear it again. I'm wearing it today. Be happy because of me, because I'm also wearing it. Jesus Christ, he will make you great than what you are seeing and envy.